Hi guys, it's Allie from Allie and Jordan's Loom Creations, and today I came up with a new bracelet design. So in this video I will be showing you how to make the 5-pin single bracelet. It looks like this, and it is not reversible because it looks the same on the other side. So yeah. For this bracelet you will need your hook. I'm using the newest edition Rainbow Loom metal tipped hook. You will also need your loom. I recommend using the Rainbow Loom because it will be a lot easier to make the bracelet going out the bottom of the loom instead of sideways, which is really difficult. You will also need some rubber bands. I recently got the 1,200 Expressions rubber bands, but I put them in a box and I took off the price tag, and so the box looks a little torn. It has the sticky gel on it still. But you will need some rubber bands, and you will also need some C or S clips, or whatever clip you will be using to tie your bracelet together. And so yeah, let's get started. The reason why it's called the 5-pin single bracelet is because it's basically a bunch of singles of, regular bracelets tied together and to make this one really cool bracelet. And you will be using 5 pins for this. So you're going to take your first color rubber band and you're just going to do a figure 8 on these 2 pegs. So it should be on the fourth peg on the top, 3rd peg on the bottom. Then you're going to take your hook or your hands and you're going to take the top rubber band and twist it onto that peg and then do the same on the top. So just take it off and twist it. Okay. You can really twist it any way, it doesn't really matter. And then just push your bands down. My nails are a bit messy today because I had polish on them and then I took it off. But not all the way, obviously. And then you're going to be doing this again, so just do a figure 8. Take your hook or your hands, take the top rubber band and twist it over that peg. And then do this with the top also. And then push your bands down. Now that you have used all 5 of your pegs, you are going to be placing 2 more rubber bands on top of these. So grab your bands and place 1 rubber band in triangle formation, just like that, on the purple triangle, and then take your other band and place it just like that. Now we're going to be hooking. The hooking process is just the same thing repeated over and over and over again, so it gets really easy. You can start wherever you want. I'm starting at the top on the first peg, and you're just going to take the bottom rubber band and pull it over. Go over 1 peg and do the same thing. Bottom band, pull it over. Then on the bottom, you're going to take the bottom band and pull it over. And then on this peg, instead of just taking 1 rubber band, you're going to take 2 bands over. And then take the bottom rubber band and pull it over. Then you will need to push these bands down, like that, and then add your other rubber bands. Like I said, the same thing repeated over and over. So just do the triangle again, and then do the triangle. I will be fast forwarding mainly in this video, so you can pause it and keep up or something, but just keep pulling the bottom rubber bands over the top, just like that, and then push them down, and then add more rubber bands. I will show you one more time. So triangle, triangle. I think this bracelet looks really good with rainbow colors. That's my opinion, but it looks really cool, like there's neons right here. But anyways, they just look really good as rainbows. So I recommend using rainbow colors. If you don't want to, or if you only have colored packs of bands, then just use those. These are rainbow braid bands, by the way, in Expressions. So just keep pulling the bottom bands over the top and then pushing it down. My hook can't fit in there, so just use your hands to push it down. And continue this until your bracelet starts coming out of the bottom of your loom. And then I'll see you in a sec on how to end this bracelet. Now that we have finished our bracelets, like this, then we are just going to go to the third peg or the fifth peg and loop over the bottom rubber band, like that. And then kind of give your bracelet a tug. And then you're just going to loop all the bands to one peg, so like loop this band over there, and then loop this band to there, over there, and then push it down because you want to have room for all the bands. So then just keep doing that. Okay, so now that we have looped over all of our bands, we're just going to stick our hook down in here like this. And then we're just going to lift out our bracelet, lift up our bracelet like this. And then we're going to be taking a rubber band and slide all of these bands onto that rubber band. Now that we have added a green band through our pink bands, we can just attach this to an S or C clip or whatever band you'll be using to tie off your bracelet. I'm doing this above camera because it's a bit difficult. So there you have your 5-pin single bracelet. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe please, that would really help. So I'm kind of in a rush right now, so anyways, thanks for watching. Bye!